Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English USA Podcast, the place where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. Hi, Erica. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Marco. So glad you're here today.
Me too. How are you, Erica?
I'm wonderful. I had a really nice morning.
Oh, that's great. A good morning makes everything better.
Absolutely. And that's our topic today, our daily lives, our routines.
Daily routines. You know, some people think that word routine is boring, but I think it's fascinating because everyone's day is different.
I agree, and it's excellent for practicing English. We use simple, everyday words to talk about what we do from morning to night.
But before we dive in, we have a small request. If you're listening and you enjoy our show, please hit the like button. Give us a thumbs up.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to English with Erica and Marco. It really helps us grow.
And share this episode with a friend who's learning English. Thank you so much. We love our listeners.
Okay, Marco, let's begin at the beginning, the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like mornings, do you?
Erica, I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Really? I'm the opposite. I love mornings.
For me, waking up is hard. That alarm clock?
The alarm. Mine plays soft music.
That's a good idea. Mine is just a loud beep. I wake up and think, oh no, already?
And do you get up right away?
No. I hit the snooze button.
The snooze button.
Yes, 5 more minutes. But honestly, it's never just 5 minutes. I hit it 2 or 3 times.
Oh, Marco. So when do you actually get out of bed?
When I have to, when I'm already late. Then I jump up and rush.
That's funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow. Why so early?
I love the quiet. No cars, no noise, just me and the calm.
And what's the first thing you do?
Coffee, the most important thing.
Same here. I run straight to the coffee machine.
How do you take your coffee?
I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar. You?
I add a little hot milk, warm and smooth.
Nice. And what do you do while drinking it?
I sit by the window and just think. No phone, no news.
Oh, I look at my phone. Emails, news.
You should try my way sometime. It's very peaceful.
Maybe I will. Okay, what about breakfast?
I eat well. Yogurt with fruit, sometimes eggs.
That's a lot. I just have toast with butter or a banana. Fast and easy.
Because you're always late.
Exactly.
After breakfast, we get ready. I take a hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower wakes me up. Then comes the hard part, choosing clothes.
Oh, yes. I look at my closet full of clothes and think, I have nothing to wear.
Same. It's silly, but true.
What's your secret?
I only buy blue, white, and gray shirts. I just grab one. Done. No thinking.
That's very smart.
It saves time. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so after dressing, time for work. How do you get there?
I take the bus. It's crowded, but I put on headphones and listen to music or a podcast.
A good podcast, I hope.
Sometimes I listen to English with Erica and Marco.
Good choice. I drive my car.
Is the traffic bad?
Terrible. Stop and go very slow. So I play loud music.
That helps.
Now, the workday. What's yours like?
Busy. First thing, more coffee. Then I turn on my computer and boom, so many emails.
I know that feeling. Read, write, reply, and meetings.
Yes, meetings. Like the one about the big report. Talk, talk, talk.
I also talk to people and help them. I like my job, but the emails never end.
What about lunch? My favorite part.
Mine too. Do you bring lunch or buy it?
I usually buy a sandwich from a cafe near the office. I like to walk and get fresh air.
That's nice. I bring lunch from home, a salad or sandwich I made in the morning.
You're so organized. And then around 3 p.m., I get very sleepy.
Same. My eyes get heavy.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes green tea, or I eat an apple.
I eat a cookie. That's fine too. Then 5 p.m., work ends. Best time of the day.
Yes, I drive home, but the traffic is bad again.
I take the bus home. I'm tired, so I just look out the window.
But home is wonderful. What's the first thing you do when you walk in?
I put down my keys and bag, and I say hello to my dog, Max. He jumps and barks, so happy to see me.
That's lovely. I say hello to my cat, Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She's a cat. She looks at me and says, meow. That means, hello, now feed me.
Cats are the bosses.
True. Then I change into comfortable clothes, a t-shirt and soft pants.
Same here. Off with the work shirt, on with the cozy clothes.
Then dinner. Do you cook?
I try, but I'm a terrible cook. I burn everything. Chicken, rice. Once I burned water.
How do you burn water?
I forgot it on the stove. All the water evaporated.
Oh no. So what do you eat?
Simple things. Pasta with tomato sauce or eggs again. Or I order pizza. Pepperoni pizza.
I love pizza. I like cooking, cutting vegetables, listening to music. I make soup or pasta.
You're a good cook.
Just simple food. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then I sit on the sofa and Bella sits on my lap and sleeps.
Sweet. I don't sleep yet. I watch TV. Comedies, because I need to laugh after a long day.
I don't watch much TV. I read a book, and then I have to walk Max.
A night walk?
Yes, it's quiet. I look at the stars.
That sounds nice. My cat doesn't walk.
I don't think cats do. So what time do you go to bed?
Late. Around 11:30 p.m. or even midnight.
Midnight? Then you're tired in the morning.
Exactly. It's a cycle.
What about you? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, read for 10 minutes, and fall asleep.
You get so much sleep.
And you don't. That's why you're not a morning person.
True.
Well, we've talked from alarm clock to pajamas.
It was great hearing about your day, Erica, and about Max and Bella.
Same here, Marco. Thank you all for listening.
Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this episode.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, are you a morning person like me or an evening person like Marco?
We'd love to read your answers.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Marco, you know, Erica, we talked about our typical weekday, but weekends are different for me.
Oh, good point. Let's talk about weekends. What does your Saturday look like? Saturday is my day to sleep in. No alarm, I wake up naturally. Maybe 9 or 10 a.m.
Wow, that's late for me. I still wake up early, but I don't rush. I make a big breakfast. Pancakes, eggs, fresh fruit.
That sounds amazing. On Saturday, I make coffee and just sit on my sofa with Max. We watch cartoons.
Cartoons?
Yes, old ones. They make me laugh.
That's fun. Then what?
I clean my apartment. I wash clothes, vacuum, dust. It's boring, but necessary.
I clean too, but on Sunday. Saturday mornings, I go to the farmer's market.
What do you buy there?
Fresh vegetables, bread, sometimes flowers. It's very colorful and lively.
Do you meet friends there?
Sometimes. Then we get coffee together and chat.
That sounds social. I'm more of a homebody on weekends. I might call a friend or play video games.
Video games? What do you play?
Simple racing games or puzzle games. Nothing too violent.
I've never been good at video games.
It's just practice. But let me ask you, do you ever change your routine on vacation?
Absolutely. On vacation, I forget the clock. I sleep later, eat at different times, explore new places.
Same here. Last summer, I went to the beach. My routine was wake up, swim, eat seafood, take a nap, repeat.
That's the dream. Speaking of dreams, do you dream about your daily routine?
Sometimes I've dreamed about answering emails. That's a nightmare.
I've dreamed about being late for work.
That is a common dream.
Let's give our listeners some useful English phrases for talking about daily routines.
Great idea. One common phrase is I usually. For example, I usually wake up at 7.
Another is I tend to. I tend to drink coffee in the morning.
Or I'm in the habit of. I'm in the habit of reading before bed.
And for things you don't do, I rarely or I hardly ever.
Like I hardly ever cook dinner.
That's true for you.
Hey, I'm honest.
You can also use adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
For me, I always drink coffee. I sometimes eat a cookie in the afternoon. I rarely cook a big meal.
And I always wake up early. I often eat eggs for breakfast. I never watch TV before work.
See? Every person's routine is unique.
Yes, and that's what makes learning about each other so interesting.
Before we wrap up, let's answer a question from a listener. Last week, someone named Anna asked, how can I remember to use new routine vocabulary?
Great question, Anna. One tip is to write down your own daily routine in English, just 5 sentences.
Then say them out loud every morning. Repetition helps your brain remember.
Another tip, change your phone's language to English. Then every time you set an alarm or check the weather, you see English words.
That's clever. And you can label things in your house. Mirror, refrigerator, toothbrush.
Yes, visual reminders work well.
Also, listen to our podcast every day. We'll help you practice.
That's the best tip.
Okay, we've added a lot today. Let's do a quick review of our original conversation.
We started with mornings, alarm, coffee, breakfast, getting dressed.
Then work. Emails, meetings, lunch, the afternoon slump.
Then evening, coming home, pets, dinner, relaxing.
And finally, bedtime. Routines, reading, sleeping.
We also shared our weekend habits and some English learning tips.
I think that's a full picture of daily life.
Marco, before we say goodbye for real, tell me one thing you want to change about your daily routine.
I want to wake up earlier, just 15 minutes earlier, so I'm not always rushing.
That's a small, achievable goal. You can do it.
What about you? Any change?
I want to spend less time on my phone in the evening. Maybe read more books.
Good goal. We can encourage each other.
Deal. And listeners, you can set your own small goal today.
Write it down. Tell a friend. Start tomorrow morning.
Thank you all again for spending this time with us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And comment, morning person or night person.
We'll read your answers. Until next time, keep learning and smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.